Hello. Bought some really good, inexpensive screwdrivers a few weeks ago, and I wanted to do a little review on them. They were, I bought them on eBay, $18.50 free shipping, and then plus tax. They've really worked out really well. One of the sellers, they list them as hardened tips. Let me get the biggest one out here. And there it is. Anyway, they're really nice. The body's solid brass and then with chrome. And pretty much they really like them. The tips are ground really well. I'll show you that in a minute. Only thing that I don't like about it exactly is the little holes here. You know, they're pretty small, but it's not a real big deal. You can still get it in there. I guess as you're using them, you could just set them on the table. They have a little storage area in the center. For the extra tips. It's a little hard to get off with one hand. So you put your spare tips in there. And it's because you have one of each. In this case, the one that's on the large screwdriver. I use this stone here to bring it down a little bit because this English fusee watch I'm working on, the large screw, it's got a really thin slot, so I had to use the stone to bring it down. And since you got two, then you can use it for the different thicknesses that you need. Let me see. So they'll have the numbers on the side here. So this one's 120. I'm going to set the camera up and show you what they look like close up. Okay. So they ground them really well. So you can see this one here I took down for that screw. Didn't do it perfect. It's kind of hard to do. Yeah, they're not Swiss. Doesn't say where they're made anywhere. Likely in China. But everything's all tight. Knurling is really nice. Yeah. So they really like them. Hope they're as hard as they say they are. And that's about it. I'm going to leave some links. About 3 different places you can get them. They don't make them anymore, so they'll eventually be all sold. So they come from so that size 0.5 millimeter up to 2.5 millimeter. So yeah, they're very small. Oops. This is the smallest one. I'm not sure. I don't think I need that one yet. Done a few watches with them, but they're older pocket watches, so they don't always have the smallest screws. Yeah, everything about them is nice. Like I say, they all have the numbers on them. I guess that doesn't have a point, but it's say 50. So here's the screw I was working with. It's this one right here. The width of the screwdriver is not even that wide, the 2.5 millimeter, but that's pretty thin in there. So, and just the 2.5 millimeters thicker than the rest. And that's about it. Well, the base. The base is metal. It's really heavy, you know, it's a heavy metal. It's got a little profile on it, so it looks pretty nice. And I'm really happy with them. Just thought I'd do a little video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And give a thumbs up if you could. That should be it. Thanks. Thanks for watching.